Hello guys, welcome to Vector Tutorial. Today we'll start a new chapter, getting started with C++. So why are we learning C++? Compared to other programming languages, C++ is easy to write, read and understand. So whatever we are going to learn in this chapter, you will not understand until and unless we'll write a program. So just pause the video and go through the history of C++. C++ character set. Character set is a set of valid characters that a language can identify. For example, letters capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, digits 0 to 9, special symbols, other character. Suppose I'm writing a program in C++ and I'm using some Chinese alphabet. Since if C++ do not identify this Chinese alphabet, so they are not part of the C++ character set because they are not valid character. Tokens, also called Lexical unit. The smallest individual unit in a program is known as token or a Lexical unit. Suppose I have a sentence, my name is Amanpreet Singh. So the sentence is made up of words and the word is made up of alphabet. So I can consider alphabets as the smallest individual unit in writing a sentence. Similarly, we have smallest individual unit for writing program in C++, and these are known as token or Lexical unit. C++ has the following tokens: keyword, identifiers, literals, punctuators and operators. Keywords. Keywords are the words that convey a special meaning to the compiler. These are reserved for special purpose. So whenever I have written a program, so when I compile the program, whenever it will encounter a keyword, the compiler would perform a special function. So those words which make the compiler to perform special functions are called keywords. So note that keywords should not be used as identifier names. So don't worry about this concept. When we are writing the program, I'll explain you what does this mean. For example, float, if, else, void, etc. Identifiers. These are the memory location whose value can be changed during the execution of the program, and these are user defined. For example, I'm writing a program to find the area of a circle. So to find the area of the circle, we have a formula pi r square, where r is the radius. So radius is something that is not fixed because different circles have different radius. So I can consider the radius as a identifier. So rules for naming identifiers. A variable name must begin with an alphabet. It can either be small or capital letter. A variable name should not have space in between. Digits are not allowed in variable name but not in the first place. No, sorry, digits are allowed in variable name but not in the first place. No special character is allowed in a variable name except underscore. A variable name can start with an underscore. A variable name should not be a keyword. Literals, also called constants. These are the memory location whose value do not change during the execution of the program. So consider the previous example. We are writing a program to find the area of a circle, which is pi r square. So pi is a constant whose value is 3.14 and it is same for all circles. So pi is a constant. C++ have the following type of literals: integer constant, character constant, floating constant and string literals. Note that C++ is case sensitive, that is, it treats upper and lower case differently. See, capital M is different from small m. Therefore, no, it will the C++ compiler will treat capital M different from small m. So that is what meant by C plus sensitive, case sensitive. Integer constant. Whole number without fractional part are called integer constant. For example, 0, 35, minus 47, etc. Rules for writing integer constant. Integer constant must have at least one digit. It should not have any decimal point. It can either be positive or negative number. A number without any sign is assumed to be positive. Commas cannot appear in an integer constant. C++ allows three types of integer constant: decimal to the base 10, octal to the base 8, and hexadecimal to the base 16.